back at our honey hole. So like I said, me and my girl are gonna work our the bedrock down there, and we're gonna work that clean, get all those rocks and stuff out, get that big boulder right there out. These flies like to bite. And the cool thing about this bedrock is it goes down and then it comes back up. So I think that's a nice little trap right there, nice little gold trap. So let's see what we're getting some nice pieces of gold last time. Let's see what else we can get. We got quite a bit of material to move again this time. And then after we clean out that, after we clean out this, we're gonna actually kill the fucking my phone, and I pressed the button. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna continue on that until that's all cleaned out. There's nice rusty material down there. And then after that, we're gonna work our way up creek. We're gonna clean all this bedrock off and out, I think that it'll be beneficial to see what we can get done for today, but I know it's gonna take us a couple seasons. Oh, I got a little fucking caterpillar on me. Let's put him on this little leaf. Oh, he fell. Oh well, I didn't kill him though, so as long as I didn't kill him. But yeah, we're gonna work our way up that way eventually. Scooping up all this material off the bedrock. What I'm standing on right now is an old tailing pile from old timers. As you can see, we're standing on a big rock pile. It's pretty big, and it goes that way. It's pretty big. You can see all these rocks nicely stacked, and then there's another rock pile on the other side of this one. So let me get the you want to get down, babe? Get down there, and I'm gonna hand you stuff from where we hit our stuff at. Yeah, so this bedrock, I'm assuming, is gonna have some good gold. It already has been showing some good pickers, so I'm assuming that the more closer we get to bedrock and we clean up, the bigger the gold's gonna get. I guarantee it. No, don't do that. You gotta go down this way. You're just gonna drop these down, and I gotta pick these back up. Just give me that. Okay, so I'll get back to you. There you go. Now I knocked down, I just got a big boulder out of there. It's right there. So you can see the bedrock continues from, it's falling down right here, and it continues right there. Cleaning all that up. Splashed it with a bucket, to wash it better, and wash the rocks. So I'm throwing as many rocks as I can out before I start loading the bucket. And I think I'm gonna dig right here first and try to get the stuff in the bottom right here. Or maybe not, because I don't want it to be too low right there, because it's pretty deep right here. Like, it's gonna go into my shoe, into my boot. I mean, and I can't remember if I did I threw those rocks up there. I think I did a long time ago. She's getting all that area cleaned out, ready for us when we're god damn, there's so many flies. But yeah, she's getting that ready for us for when we start cleaning that material and working our way all the way up. I think it's better just to work on bedrock and work our way up. There's a lot of rock there, but there's gonna be a lot of gold. I know that. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back up to date after I need to pan down my concentrates from last time. I'm trying to get all the black sand and stuff out. That pan on top has all the black sand in it, but there's still gold in it from the magnet picking it up. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back when with an update here in a little bit, and see where we are. Yep. So. see how the sluice is running. Could run a little better. It's not cleaning out as fast right there. The bottom ripples are cleaning out good. But just keep going. They're cleaning out. Just give it a couple, you know, and then start going again. These flat, you almost poured it out off the edge. Be careful. God damn, fucking. These flies are so annoying. Alright. We're on our 4th bucket. Flies all over the place. Killed over 100 of them, I swear to God. I'm not trying to swat them right now. Oh, I got one. With the phone in my hand. Got 2 with the phone in my hand. But I don't want to do too much more because I don't want to, we got some more mercury in there. We got some nice flakes of gold in there too. I can see them. Kind of hard to tell on the phone. Now you can see how much work we've got and put in. You can see all this bedrock down there. See all that bedrock exposed. Got a little bit of material left right here, and then up forward. And you can see where the bedrock pinches right there. Pinches. You see where the bedrock right in front of her, it pinches down, it makes a little V. That's gonna be, that's good, that's a good sign. Because that's where the water slows down. So this whole pocket right here is gonna be awesome. And also because the bedrock goes down and then it comes back up, right up there. What? I wasn't even filming you, now I am. There's a lot of mercury in there. I barely got your face, now I'm getting your face. Not anymore. What, another fly? There's like thousands of horse flies eating us. I think I'm gonna chop that tree up, that one above the sluice box. I think I'm gonna chop that down. Yep, hold on. I'll be right there. And then after we're done with this, we're gonna, I'm gonna set up the sluice box up here somewhere. Up here, and then just have the, so that we can just bring the material from down. We're gonna start from right here, where I'm standing, and work our way up on both sides. You see all this stacked rock. What, you found something? Huh? More? Hold on. We're on our 5th bucket still, but there's so much more mercury in there. Look at all that mercury in there, and gold, and lead. Lead BBs, gold. Nice little piece of gold right there. Oh yeah, there's a chunk. It's a chunky. There's a chunky monkey. I'll show you. Hold on. Right. Look, my finger. Right there. See it?
Yeah.
It's a little chunky monkey. There's gonna be a lot more of those. There's gold all through this fucking sluice. Huh? We gotta go get our food though, because we're hungry. It's already 3:47. Alright, end of the day. Didn't get as many buckets in as I wanted, but this is what we got. We got gold in the corner right there. We got mercury, some pellets, some gold. Right there. Put the light on there. Hopefully we got some good gold up in there. There's no way of finding out until we take apart the sluice and clean it up. So we'll get back to you. This is what's in the second pan that I panned into. So a little bit of gold would fall in there. A little bit of gold. But this second pan, here, hold this. Other pan. This is where all the gold is. Chunks of gold with rock on it. But look that chunk of gold right there. Has a piece of the host rock or something on it. There's nice chunky gold in there. Where's the mercury? Oh, there's the mercury. And then there's the mercury chunk with gold in it. Another mercury chunk. You see all that gold in the mercury? Just grabs the gold. That's weird.
Yeah.
Wonder how they lost this mercury before, you know? There's gold in the corner. Wasn't even moving. Nice. Okay. That's what we got. Out of how many buckets? 6? 6 buckets.